Right, well, firstly, I want to welcome you back to the channel, and this is a little video basically to say I am still around and give you a review of the year that's just gone by. Unfortunately, towards the end of the year, things have started to go a little bit wrong. I haven't been able to go to the workshop in well over a month. Then my PC broke. I've now got my PC back, and hopefully I'm on the way to freeing up some more time and getting back to working on the bikes and doing stuff on the bikes, because I'm really starting to miss it now. But I think if there's anything we've learned over the past 2 years, it's that life can be quite unpredictable at times. So what I've done is, since I've got my PC back, I've been going through the footage from a few videos that we've done throughout the past year and just selecting the best bits. I wanted to give you guys a little overview of everything we've been up to, and actually it was quite nice for me to watch back. I didn't quite realise how much we had done. In spite of it being a weird year, I think we definitely made the best of it. It is also a year since I started the channel, and we're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm feeling really pleased with that, and so that is a massive thank you to you guys. Hopefully this next year we're going to absolutely smash it. We're going to have some fun and make some good videos. So enjoy the next few clips, and I wish you a very happy 2022. So that's about it from me for now. Hopefully I'll be back to making normal videos soon. I really am itching to get on with it all. But what would be helpful for me, from you guys, is if you could let me know what you'd like to see in the year coming up. I'm hoping that we can broaden our horizons with the kind of off-roading thing, try out some new places, get some friends involved, see some different custom and vintage motorcycles. Obviously I'll be carrying on building as well, because that's what I do. I need to do that to stay semi-sane. But let me know in the comments below, what's your favourite type of video that I do, and maybe even what's your favourite from the year just gone. Thanks very much, and I'll see you again soon.